Grant Cardone is one of the biggest sales trainer in the world. He's $1 billion guy. And he says the biggest rule of sales is by taking the consistent follow-ups. Now, let me tell you, most of the SME business owners do not take consistent follow-ups. Whenever they call a client and client tells them that, okay, call me next Thursday at 4 p.m. Guess what? On that Thursday at 4 p.m., they forget on calling the client. Now let me tell you, if you do not take consistent follow-ups, client will forget about you and they will go to another company and sign up a deal with them. Now, let's accept it. You cannot remember on taking the follow-ups for all the clients, neither your team nor you. So for that, you need to use technology. You need to use a CRM where you can create the follow-ups and system reminds you that on how many days you have in a week and on which day how many follow-ups you have from each and every client. Yes, you can automate your follow-up reminders as well. And because of this tool which we have given to our clients, they have literally doubled their sales in less than 4 weeks after using the CRM and follow-up tracker, right? So it's very important for you to do the consistent follow-up so that you can help your client to become your customer and they start taking your service.